Hangzhou Airflow Electric Appliances Company Limited is a professional manufacturer focusing on R&D and production of DC and AC external rotor centrifugal fan and axial fan. Our company covers an existing plant area of 12,000 square meters with production and R&D center of about 1,000 square meters and about 160 employees, including 20 R&D staffs. Our annual production capacity is about 600,000 units. We have strong R&D capacity, high level of technology, and professional manufacturing equipment. We regard create a fresh space as our mission, pursuing eternally for customer satisfaction. We focus on energy-saving technology and strive to become the first brand of energy-saving fan in China.